Hey y'all, it's your girl hairstylist Janae back with another video. So today I will be showing y'all how I got this cute, easy, and quick kids natural hairstyle. So I did achieve this look in less than 30 minutes. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. As you see, I actually started off with parting in the middle, and also I'm now creating the part that I'm actually going to be braiding in the middle. I am using the Kaleidoscope miracle edges, and I just laid it on her hair just to make sure that I actually separate any flyaways or anything, and I also applied it on the scalp. So I'm just really right now just trying to clean up the part. So after I clean up the part, this is how the hair looks. So now I'm going to actually also part the side right here in the front, so that way I can have a braid going down. And then I'm just going to be applying some more miracle edges as well. And then after that, I'm just going to start braiding the middle of her hair. So after I start braiding the hair in the middle, I actually moved on over to this side and started braiding. I actually connected the middle braid and the side braid together. So I'm going to be braiding this all the way down. So after you braid it down, this is how your hair should look from the front and also the back of her hair. I actually repeated this twice, so this is how it also looks. So after I do all of that, I'm taking my Kaleidoscope detangling brush, and I'm just going to start smoothing her hair up into a ponytail. I will be applying some more miracle edges to help actually sleek down her hair. And then I take my hard bristle brush and start to actually brush her hair and smooth it into a ponytail. I apply her elastic band onto her ponytail. So I am creating two ponytails, as you see also by the thumbnail. So after that, this is how it should look. So now I'm going to be applying the donut on there. So I got this from my beauty supply store. So I never tried this before. I actually was curious how this would turn out, and I'm actually glad that it turned out well. So as you see, I'm just smoothing down her hair, fixing and making sure that it looks right. So this is how it should look. I will be applying another elastic band to hold it. And for this step, the left out hair, I'm actually going to start braiding it. So I just split this in half here, and I just start cornrowing her hair all around the donut until I get to the end of it. When I get to the end of it, I will be wrapping it around and also securing it with a bobby pin. So this is how her hair looks after I do that, and I did repeat the same step on the other side. So now I'm going to be applying some gold hair clips just to pizzazz up the look a little bit. I am adding some gold hair beads as well, and I am applying some more miracle edges on her edges to also sleek it down and make it look neat. Okay, so the next step, I will be applying some Kaleidokids miracle drops, which is her favorite as well. So I applied it on there. This is how her hair looks once it is done. So I am definitely loving the look. She loved it too, and also my Instagrammers loved it as well. So I'm actually excited of how the come out came to be. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and love y'all. Bye.